Design principles, a service definition. Design principles are fundamental pieces of advice that designers use to create easy-to-use, pleasurable designs. WynHouse Software uses design principles as an extension of a component board or separate document that outlines the fundamental, consistent rules that a designer has used to create a consistent and brand-aware design. WynHouse designers will create a dedicated rulebook made up of these design principles for developers to create branded functional designs from scratch. Service analysis. When creating user interface components, WynHouse designers consider the design principles that they're consistently using that make the design brand aware. The designer will outline these principles in the component board or a separate document. Service function. Like component design usage, design principles give developers more autonomy to create undesigned product elements. Developers can use design principles to create completely undesigned components that match the brand well. Let's use WynHouse Software's design principles as an example. WynHouse uses sharp edges on its components to provide a clean, modern feeling. WynHouse uses dividing lines of 3 pixels off-center with text to create additional grid structure to the design. Design principles and usage definitions give developers the ability to take the reins and create components outside of the design's concept. If you have any further questions, go ahead and toss a comment in the comment section. If you like this video, go ahead and give this video a like. And if you'd like to stay updated on this video series, you can go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the bell button to stay notified. Alright, have a good one.